Assalamualaikum and welcome to Tutorial Tuber channel. In the fifth video of our lecture, we are going to discuss about the extrude tool, selected extrude and multiple bodies extrude. For this, we will simply click on the front plane or you can select any plane. For example, if you are going to draw this circle, you have drawn this circle and after that click OK and you want to extrude it. Extrude means you want to make it into the 3D. You will simply click on this extrude tool which is in the features tab. Click on extrude and as you can see it is showing you a yellow box. Yellow box means it will extrude this blue line up to this yellow line. If you want to change its direction to the upward, you can simply click on this reverse direction and as you can see the direction is reversed on the upward side. After that, if you want to increase its length or increase its height, you can simply drag this. But if you want to give it a specific length or specific height, you can click here. For example, you want to give it 22.2 mm height, so you can simply click here and select it 22.2. when you will click enter, it will automatically convert it to the mm and as you can see its size is changed. For example, if you want to give it a height of 55.95, you will click OK and as you can see you will click enter. After that you will see that that height is increased and that height is 55.95 mm. After that you will click OK and as you can see this body is changed into a 3D body. After that we are going to go towards the selected extrude tool. We will simply delete it. You will right click on that boss extrude and delete and click yes. After that you will click on this and right click and delete. Yes, now we have deleted the sketch and the extrude. After that we are going to select the front plane, select the sketch and we are going to sketch for the selected extrude tool. For this, for example, if you have drawn this and this, in this situation you can see that there are 4 triangles. We will click on the features and click on the extruded boss base. Now you can see it is not showing us about the how much it will extrude. So in this part, this is a selected extrude tool. For example, if you will click here, only this part will be extruded and the rest of the parts will not be extruded. For example, if you want to extrude these 2 sides and not the middle one, you will simply click on this and after that when you will click OK, now you can see that it is made a hollow cavity in it because that part which you have not selected is not extruded. And in this way you can make tools and make the geometries or hollow cavities into a body. After that we are going to delete this also. Front plane. Now if you have made, for example, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3, 4 rectangle, polygon, as you can see there are many of the sketches, and if you want to extrude all of these, this is automatic feature. When you will click on this extrude, as you can see the software has automatically selected all and all of the bodies are selected. and going to be extruded. For example, if you don't want to extrude a body, you can simply click on one body. As you can see, this is selected, and you can select this way, or if you don't do so, you will simply click on the extrude and it will automatically extrude all of the bodies. Click on OK, and that's it. All of the bodies are extruded. In this way you can make multiple bodies extruded into a simple step. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like our video.